Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So I'm back with the topic solution of linear equations. So linear equation can be solved by separating out the variables through shifting. Now, what you have to keep in your mind while doing the shifting, you have to keep in mind the inverse of operations. Now, what are the inverse of operations? Like if you have addition, the inverse of addition is subtraction, and inverse of multiplication is division, vice versa. If subtraction sign is there, that you have to, like if you have to do shifting, then that subtraction is going to be converted into addition, and division is there, then it is going to be the inverse of that is multiplication. So let's start with a very simple equation, that is x plus 3 is equals to 7. Now as you all know that the inverse of addition is subtraction, so when we are going to shift this plus 3 on the other side of the equation, it is going to be minus 3, and 7 minus 3 is 4. So the value of x which we got from the solution is 4, and we can do its verification as well that our answer is correct or not. So let's do it with the help of like left hand side and right hand side. So we are going to separate the left hand side of the equation and right hand side of the equation. Right hand side is simple, it's already solved, there is no there is nothing like we can solve in this, so it's 7, it's a number. And the other one is x plus 3, that means instead of writing this x, we have to substitute its value, that is 4. So 4 plus 3 is 7. Yes, now 7 and 7 both sides are equal. That means 4 is the solution or the root of the given equation. So hopefully this is clear to you. Now let's move to the next example. Basically, there are so many cases of shifting. It's not necessary that there is only going to be one shifting at a time in one question. There can be more than one shifting as well. So let's see the next question. This is also very easy. One, y multiplied by 1 upon 6 is equals to 4. So what we need to do is we need to separate all the numbers, all the numerical values which are with the variable. We have to move it on the other side. So what is written with y is multiply by 1 upon 6. That means 1 upon 6 is multiplying here. That means it is a coefficient of y as well, you can say. And when we are going to shift this multiply to the other side, it is going to be divided by 6. So you all know that how we can solve this division symbol by taking the reciprocal of the number, that is 1 upon 6. It is going to be 6 is going to be in the numerator, and 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. So this is how we can get the value of the variable by shifting this multiplication symbol by taking the inverse of that on the other side. And again, it's verification we can do very easily, and we can verify this with the help of left hand side and right hand side. Solving left hand side, we are going to get 4, and right hand side is already 4. So that means that if both the answers are same, left hand side and right hand side, that means that 24 is the root of the given equation. So let's see the next one. The next one, you can see that there are mixed terms written on both sides. So we have to rearrange it. We have to solve the like terms only, and that for that we have to shift the like terms on one side. That is 4a minus 3. If we are going to shift it on the other side, you can see that it is going to be plus 3a. So 4a plus 3a, and on the right hand side we shifted the numbers, so 2 minus 5 is going to be plus 5. Again we are going to solve this, that is going to be 7a and 7. So again you can see that a is not alone, the variable is with the variable, again there is a number, and with this number the relationship between a and 7 is multiplication. So when we are going to shift it on the other side, it is going to be in the denominator, or you can say we are going to shift this multiplication into division. So 7 divided by 7, again we are going to get 1. So again we can do the verification and left hand side, right hand. Now here we have to solve both the sides separately. We have to solve this right hand side as well. So by substituting the value of a, that is 1, we are going to get -1 on both the sides, and the both answers are equal. Left hand side is equals to right hand side, so 1 is the root of the given equation. So this is how we can solve the linear equations. There are few more examples. There are many more examples I can say, of these linear equation, but if you know the basics, that means you can solve any of one. So I hope everything is clear to you. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.